Hi, welcome to TreeCreator. In this video I'm going to show you how to install TreeCreator as an app in your computer. When you are in TreeCreator.com you can click in any of the buttons to open the app. In this case I'm going to open with the button next to the flag. And now we are here in TreeCreator. I am going to clear the message that was offering to open a demo tree, by clicking Start Your Own Tree. If you notice in here in the field of the URL, we have a button in here that is 3 squares with a plus sign. This is Edge. When you are in Chrome it's a computer with an arrow down. This indicates that you can install an icon in your computer to run it as if it was an application. So I'm going to click in here and then I got this message that wants to confirm that I want to install it as an app. I said install. And then we got it. I am now within the app. And this is actually a browser. The only difference is that it doesn't have any of the menus on top or the URL address on top. And we got this window. I'm going to unselect the pin to start. I'm going to leave the pin to taskbar. And I'm going to click allow. And now you can see in here that here is the app. I'm going to also pin it to the taskbar so I always have it there. And that's how you install it as an application. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.